Mud Mask by Derm1 Health. This is a youth restored mud mask. So as you can see, I've already been using it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I use it. So I already cleansed my face. That's the first step, just making sure you wipe any dirt or makeup off your face. And you just press it down like this and it comes out. See it? All right, so I'm just going to put this on my face. Put it all over. I'm probably going to put like a little bit more. You just don't want it to get into your eyes though. So put it all over. Typically when I do like facials or mud masks, you want to, go in a circular motion like this. I'm trying not to get my hair messed up. I know I look all crazy, y'all. I know I look crazy. And then I want to put some like, okay. You just want to make sure you're not getting it in the eyes. Alright, try to get all around here, make sure I got it. Alright, good. Okay, I know I look crazy. Alright, but listen, you guys, as you guys know, the key to looking beautiful, you know what I mean? We have to do our steps. But yeah, you may look a little crazy. So it comes in this cool little size portion. And this is the top, so it looks like that. Like I said, you just want to press down on it. So I do have a paper towel here just to wipe any excess off. And you just want to let this sit on your face for 5 minutes. So I really enjoyed this product. Like I said, I have been using it. My friends have tried it too. One of the things that people have said is that it's really relaxing. So this mud mask is really good for just evening out your skin tone and brighten it up. As someone that has suffered from acne, I am really, really big on using products that even out my skin tone and just brighten it up a little bit. Now my skin has cleared up, but I still have some discoloration that I would like to clear up. So this mud mask is really good for that. So if you guys have any dark spots or age spots, large pores, this mask would be good for you.